Going to learn about Windows 7. Windows has basically simplified the task of managing data in computer. The data in a computer is organized in the form of files and folders. Students, from your previous knowledge, can you tell about files and folders? In Windows, you can locate your files and folders either in Documents folder or Windows Explorer. Documents folder is more convenient for viewing a folder or window at a time. Windows Explorer is used for viewing, exploring, and organizing files in a computer. Windows Explorer enables you to display directory structure that includes drives, folders, and files. Okay, can you quickly tell which version of Windows you are using on your computer? Let us first begin with how to start Windows Explorer. We can open Windows Explorer in two ways. Right-click on the Start button and select Open Windows Explorer option. Or click on Start, All Programs, Accessories, and then Windows Explorer. The window of Windows Explorer is divided into two panes, left and right. The left pane displays the disk drives and folders in a hierarchical order. The right pane displays the contents of drive or folder that is selected in the left pane. You will find the sign placed before the disk drive or folder name. The sign indicates that a folder contains subfolders. Clicking the sign will display the subfolders inside the folder and the sign changes to sign. This process is called expanding. If you click the sign, the expanded subfolders collapse back. Let me share an interesting fact. In MS Office 2007, the width of a file extension is 4 characters. For example, .docs, .xlsx. Now students, try this out. Click on the D drive. The subfolders of D drive will be expanded in the left pane. Observe that all the subfolders are arranged alphabetically. To access the contents of any folder or file, just double-click on it. The contents of the subfolder that you have selected are displayed in the right pane. Okay, let's know more. Library is a kind of folder in Windows 7 used to manage documents, music, pictures, and other files. The library folders gather files that are stored in different locations and displays them as a single collection without moving them from where they are stored. It monitors folders that contain your items and allows you to access and arrange the items in different ways. Now we shall find out how to view files or folders in Windows 7. Windows provides many ways to arrange and identify your files while you are viewing them. The information can be viewed in different modes by clicking on the drop-down arrow of More option located on the toolbar. The extra large and large icons displays gigantic and large icons of the files and folder. These two can be very useful when working with images and video files. The medium icons displays the file and folders as medium-sized icons, giving you a better idea of the file content. The small icons displays your files and folders as small icons without a preview of its contents. The file name is displayed next to the icon. List. View displays the contents as a list of files or folders, names preceded by small icons. This view is useful if your folder contains many files and you want to scan the list for a file name. You can sort your files and folders in this view. Details. View provides detailed information about your files and folders, including name, type, size, and date modified. Tiles display files and folders as a medium-sized icons. It also displays the basic information of the file present, such as its size and type. Content displays each file and folder on a separate row, along with their detailed information like date modified, size, author, etc. Students, over a period of time, optical mouse has replaced the wheel mouse. Let's know the benefits of optical mouse over wheel mouse. No moving parts mean less wear and tear and lower chances of failure. No way for dirt to get inside the mouse and interfere with the tracking sensors. It doesn't require a special surface such as mouse pad. Now let us learn how to control with the control panel. Control panel is a system folder using which we can make changes in the appearance and current settings of Windows. These include appearance and personalization of the desktop, hardware and software setup and configuration, system and security, networking and internet, user accounts and family safety, setting clock, language and region. These settings control nearly everything regarding Windows looks and works. They allow you to set up Windows the way you want. You can open Control Panel in two ways. Click on the Start button and select the Control Panel option from the right pane, or double-click on the computer icon on the desktop. Click on the Open Control Panel button located on the toolbar. Students, time for a quick quiz. Which view displays files or folders as small icons? Alright, let us now find out how to change the date and time of the computer. Click on Date and Time option in Control Panel. The Date and Time dialog box will appear. By default, the Date and Time tab is selected. Let's see how to change the computer's date. Click on Change Date and Time tab. The Date and Time settings dialog box will appear. Select the current day in the displayed calendar. You can change the month using the forward or backward arrow buttons present in the calendar. Click on OK button. Now let us see how to change the time of the computer. To change the hour, select the hour in the text box and then click on the arrows to increase or decrease the hours accordingly. Similarly, you can change the minutes and seconds. Okay students, do you know that a keyboard can be used as a mouse? Let us see how. Use up, down, left and right key for mouse pointer movement in the corresponding direction. Use home and end key for diagonally left upward and downward movement respectively. Use page up and page down key for diagonally right, upward, and downward movement respectively. Students, let us find out about the fonts of a computer. The characters used in typing the text that use the same design are called fonts. Font settings are used to change the display of text on the screen and the printed text. You can use font settings in Control Panel to view, add new fonts, and delete existing fonts. Look at a sample given here. Click on Fonts category in Control Panel. The Fonts window appears. To view the sample of a font, double-click on any given font. To add new fonts, follow the given procedure. Select the drive and then open the folder that contains the new fonts. Select the font that you want to add and drag it to the Fonts folder in Control Panel. Font will be added in the list of existing fonts. You can also delete the existing font. Select the font that you want to delete. Click on the Delete button present above the font thumbnails. Okay, has it ever happened that your mouse stopped working? Assume that you are doing some important work on your computer and all of a sudden the mouse stops working. All the troubleshooting skills are of no help. Don't get panicky. Windows has a feature to help you out of this problem. Follow these steps to make your keyboard function like a mouse. Click on Ease of Access Center category from Control Panel window. Click on Make the mouse easier to use option. Click and activate the checkbox Turn on mouse keys. Click OK. Click on Set up mouse keys option. With the numeric lock in off mode, you can use numeric keypad for mouse functions. Click OK. Students, have you ever used the on-screen keyboard? Now let us consider the reverse scenario. The keyboard has stopped working, but the mouse is working. Windows has an on-screen keyboard which can be operated with a mouse. Start the application where you wish to use keyboard. Select Start, then All Programs, then Accessories, Ease of Access, and click on On-Screen Keyboard option. A keyboard will be displayed on the screen as a window. Click on the desired keys and the effect would be displayed in the application. Now let us learn how to change the mouse settings. You can customize your mouse setting in various ways such as changing the appearance of mouse pointer, changing the functions of your mouse buttons, or altering the scroll speed of the mouse wheel. Select the mouse option in Control Panel dialog box. The Mouse Properties dialog box will appear. Click on Buttons tab. It provides options to change the settings of mouse buttons to right-handed or left-handed. You can select the checkbox to make changes in the button on the right, the one you use for primary function, such as selecting and dragging. To change the double-click speed of your mouse, drag the slider towards left to make it slow and towards right to make it fast. To test the speed, double-click the folder given on the right side. If the folder does not open or close, try using a slower setting. To To change the appearance of your mouse pointer, click on Pointers tab. Here, you can change the size, color and shape of different pointers. To change the pointer, select the kind of pointer you wish to have. Then select the Browse tab and double-click on the file name of the chosen pointer. Watch the preview. Click on Apply button and then click OK to save the changes. To adjust the speed of your mouse pointer, click on the Pointer Options tab. Drag the slider from slow to fast in pointer speed section of motion. Click on Apply button and then click OK. If you prefer to have the original set of pointers, click on the Use Default tab to return to default pointers. Okay students, have you ever wondered why we double-click the mouse? Windows has a feature to replace double-click with single-click. Follow these simple steps and forget the practice of double-clicking the mouse forever. Click on Start button and open Control Panel. Click on Folder Options. Activate Single Click to open an item option under Click Items as follows section. From the Single Click sub-options, prefer to activate Underline icon titles only when I point at them. Click on OK. Enjoy the experience of working with single click now. Remember to select any item from a list of items, you just have to place the mouse pointer there. The item would be highlighted. To open any program or document, just click on it. Now let us find out how we can avoid pressing two keys together. Often pressing two keys together is a problem. You know, sometimes we have to press three keys together, Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Windows offers us a way out through the facility of sticky keys, where we can press the combination keys one by one, instead of holding the keys together. Follow these steps to activate this feature from Windows. Select Start, then Control Panel, then Ease of Access Center. Select Make the keyboard easier to use option. Activate Turn on sticky keys by clicking on the checkbox. Click on OK to apply this setting. Now try out different key combinations. For example, if the caps lock is set in off mode, try to write any capital letter by pressing Shift key and the letter key one by one, instead of the normal process of holding down the Shift key and pressing the letter or symbol key. Okay students, let me give you a tip here. The sticky keys feature automatically deactivates itself if two keys are pressed together. To avoid this, click on Set up sticky keys in the same window and deactivate this feature under Options section. Now, did you know that the computer can be put to sleep mode? Let us find out how. Sleep is a power-saving state that allows the computer to quickly resume full power operation when you start working again. It puts our work and settings in memory and draws a small amount of power. Follow these steps to put your computer in sleep mode. Select Start, then Control Panel. Click on Power Options category. Select the Power Saver option. Sleep mode will become active. To make further changes, click on Change Plan Settings option and select the required settings as per your need. Alright, let me help you with a few more tips. Hibernation is a state in which a computer shuts down to save power but first saves everything in the memory on hard disk. When you restart the computer, your desktop is restored exactly as you left it. Click on the Start button and then click on the arrow next to shut down at the bottom of right pane. Select the desired option from the displayed list like log off, lock, restart, hibernate, etc. to put the computer into the selected mode. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Windows Explorer is used for viewing, exploring and organizing files in a computer. Library is a kind of folder in Windows 7 used to manage documents, music, pictures and other files. Control Panel is a system folder, using which appearance and current settings of Windows can be changed. Windows has an on-screen keyboard which can be operated with a mouse. Sleep is a power-saving state that allows a computer to quickly resume full power operation when you start working again.